Okay, now we'll optimize a little bit. We're taking our piston stroke and we're just going to speed it up. So once you have it learned, you can start to do it a little bit faster. And we can talk about key depth now. You either play on the skin of the key, like you might when you play a xylophone or a glockenspiel, or there are different mindsets you bring to different percussion objects. You can play on the surface or halfway down through the key or down to the resonator. Treat that like the bottom of your playing. The approach depends on the setting that you're playing in. It just happens that for drum corps, we play down to the resonator because it gives us a certain timbre. So that sounds like this. It introduces more thwack and high end into the sound. It gives a definition that can be heard in a stadium or outdoors. In order to project this ensemble sound over the other ensemble members, you need to play with that thwacky, big kind of sound. So we just happen to exaggerate our sound into this, where we play through the key. You might mess with that a little bit. You might also mess with playing a faster velocity stroke. And can you stay relaxed when you do that? You might just see how fast you can make it. And you're going to mess around with different key depths. Each time I did that, I had a different key depth. And it affected my tone. You're going to explore that. The other more advanced element I need to talk about here is body awareness. So you're going to come to know the background sensations of the body as contributing to what happens in the mallets. So when I'm here, I notice certain areas of tension. I have a tiny nick of tension back here behind my elbow. I've got tension right up here. I notice wear in the hand. I feel things. I notice the mallet resting against my palm. I feel it in the crook of my fingers. I feel the mallet hanging in there. I check my breathing to make sure I'm still breathing naturally while I do this. And then I check my posture and just see if I can unload a little bit and just let a normal verticality just kind of happen. So if you're of the drum corps persuasion, you're going to start standing a little more vertically. Some groups will really exaggerate that for you. And you should practice these strokes looking to the side. And the other side, do those combinations. Stand with different postures. Set up your stroke. Get used to looking in different directions while you play. And get used to sensing the body. When I'm here, I feel tension. I can feel where the body is stretched. And I feel the tension shift from here to different parts of my arm when I bring the stroke down. I feel the weight of the mallet when I flop it like this. I feel it impact my palm when I do that. There's actually kind of a whacking thing that happens. You need to find out what your body is doing and find the actuality of your body, the actual sensations that are going on, because those are clues that tell you where you are in relationship to the keyboard and in relationship to playing. You need to learn to read your body because those clues are eventually going to tell you whether you're being smooth or not.